Hello, welcome back to Martin Maths. Today we have our guest presenters doing ratio.
Okay, so our first presenter is going to show us their design of these multi-link in ratio, but please note, those watching, we have been COVID prepared, everyone's sanitized, and everyone is standing distanced before they come to show their work. Let's see our first presenter.
So,
what is this?
I've got my spaceship here.
Okay.
And the ratio is 3 to 9.
3 pink to 9 white, okay.
And if we simplify that, it's 1 pink to 3 whites.
Okay, so spaceship's kind of turned into Space Invaders.
Yeah. And the fraction is 1 over 4.
1 over 4 pink out of each
whites.
part. Brilliant. Thank you very much. And our next presenter, what have we got there?
So I've got some chimpanzees and some fish.
Okay.
So the ratio to these two is 6 over 10.
6 to 10.
6 to 10.
Yeah.
And if I simplify this, it becomes 3 to 5.
So 3 chimpanzees to every 5 fish. Okay.
And if I make them in the fraction to the chimpanzees, it's 3 over 8.
3 chimpanzees out of 8 animals in total. Brilliant. Fractions and ratio there. Thank you. Next presenter, please.
So I have two colors over here, black and white. The ratio of black to white is 9 to 6. So if we want to simplify that, it would be 3 to 2. And converting black into a fraction would be 3 over 5.
3 out of those 5. Brilliant. Thank you very much. Next presenter, what have we got there?
Here we have 8 greens and 4 blacks. So here the ratio is 8 to 4. And now I'm going to simplify it to 4 to 2.
Okay, simplifying by halving, yeah.
And that can be even more simplified to 2 and 1.
Okay.
So the fraction would be 2 over 3.
2 out of the 3 there, but 2 to 1, green to black. Brilliant. Our next presenter's got a little story.
So this is the multilink family. So the father is 8 to 12 from white to black, so 8 to 12.
Yeah.
And the kid is 4 to 6.
So the same ratio, but smaller numbers, yeah.
And their new dog is 2 to 3. And the simplified version of the whole family in fractions is 2 over 5.
2 out of 5, white out of the total number there, but 2 to 3 as a ratio. Brilliant, thanks very much. Next presenter, please.
So here we have a little animal, and if you look at the blocks, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 blacks, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, if we want to simplify, we can each divide them by 2, and it can become 2 to 3. But if we want a fraction, then it would be 2 over 5.
Brilliant, fraction to ratio there. Thanks. And our next presenter.
So as you see, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 10 to 12. Now to simplify this, we'll first have to divide this by 2. So if we divide 10 by 2, we get 5. And if we divide 12 by 2, we get 6. So this would then be 5 to 6. And if we want to turn this into a fraction, we can do 5 to 11.
5 over 11. Okay, brilliant, thank you. Our last guest presenter, what have we got here?
Here I have a black and red sword with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 black pieces, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 red pieces. So the ratio overall is 8 to 4. Now if we want to simplify this, we can divide both of these by 2.
Okay.
And we would have a ratio of 4 to 2, but we can also divide this again by 2, and we would have a ratio of 2 to 1 black to red. And the fraction of the simplified version would be 2 over 3.
2 out of 3 black there. Okay, fantastic.
Thank you for watching this video. Remember to like, subscribe, and share.
And goodbye from all.
Bye!